Hello, dear friends. Welcome to TOPjargan Educational Center. It's me, Mehram. I'm your host. I have master's degree in education from Top University, University of Edinburgh in Scotland. I have more than 10 years of international experience on British, American, and Canadian markets, and my IELTS score is 8.0. Let's start. Lesson number 12, we are talking about speaking skills and particular techniques, how to boost your speaking abilities and as a result get a high score. So first technique I'd like to highlight is called READ technique. So it's like the READ stands for READS, like reasons, examples, arguments, details, and speculations. It means that when you give your answer, you can use one of these like approaches or combination of them when you like actually elaborate your answer. So for example, simple example, do you like cats? You can answer, yes, I do. And you give like reasons, yeah, because they make me happy, then they are very fun, and so on, okay? You can give example, yes, I like cats. For example, I used to have 2 of them when I was a child, and I still have good memories, like good like impression of these pets. Okay, then you have like arguments. It's quite similar to reasons, but you provide like more detailed arguments, okay? And then you have like details. You can like fill your answer in with some details. My cat is like brown, it's very fluffy, sometimes it's lazy, blah, 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 and so on, okay? Or speculations. It means that you speculate, you a little bit make up your answer. It means that it's very good, in situations when you don't have the answer or you don't have particular level of knowledge in some area. It's totally fine. We are not required to have knowledge in every aspect like of human life. What we have to do is just deliver our thoughts and logic in English. If you say that, actually, I don't know because I haven't thought about it and I haven't had any pets, probably I might love them since I'm quite kind person in general, and I know that on average, people who love pets, who have pets, they love them. Some kind of example like that, okay? You speculate. You say that, okay, maybe, might be, I might say, it could be like this. So you kind of deliver your ideas in this kind of way. So now let's have a look at part 1. Again, in part 1, they ask you questions about yourself. They are very straightforward questions, factual questions, and quite kind of short. You can have a look at the real examples here, which is taken from official Cambridge textbook. It's about giving gifts. When do people give gifts or presents in your country? It's particular about your country. Do you ever take a gift when you visit someone in their home? It's about your experience, right? When did you last receive a gift? It's your experience. Do you enjoy looking for gifts for people? It's again about you. So they mostly ask questions about you, okay? And here we have specific golden rules which help you to structure your answer. And this kind of rules, they relate to all parts, part 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay, first, just answer the question. Don't start from like far away, like, blah, 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 blah. Just answer and then explain your answer. Answer and then explain. Like, when do people give gifts or presents in your country? Usually it's like New Year, Turkic New Year, like Nowruz, and probably weddings. And then you give some examples, use READ techniques or like arguments, or give your own experience and so on. Okay, just answer briefly. Or for example, do you enjoy looking for gifts? Yes, I do. Or for example, like, I love it. Then you explain, okay? So you can give your answer like in a short way, in a long way, and then you explain it. Okay, next one. Well, deliver well-structured answers. So they have to be like logically clear. Don't jump from one point to another and then to the third one. If you like start your idea, please finish it and then move next one, okay? And the last but not least, keep the balance. Don't talk too long. Don't talk too short. Keep the balance. Sometimes you can deliver shorter answers, sometimes longer answers, but use the variation, okay? So now have a look to part 2. Okay, we will not repeat the general approach of 3 golden rules. It's quite the same. Let's have a look just as an at the real example. Describe something you did that was new or exciting. You have 3 bullet points: what you did, where and when you did this, who you shared this activity with, and number 4, explain why this activity was new or exciting for you. Okay, so they ask you, you should say. To be honest, it's not kind of necessary. You could talk about it, or you like can structure your answer in your own way, but these bullet points, they actually help you. So I advise anyway, to some extent, to follow the structure and allocate your time in a very efficient way, because you have from 1 to 2 minutes to talk. So this usually first 3 bullet points, you see, what, where, when, who, they are very specific questions, and you can have very specific this kind of first, second, and third parts of your answer in a well-rounded, like kind of and finished like way of thought. Okay, so I advise to spend about like 20 seconds here, here, and here. So it's already like 1 minute. And rest of the time from 30 to 60 seconds to answer the open question, because this question is open. Explain why. And you have to deliver explanation by saying arguments or supporting your ideas, like, and so on. Okay, so and they have quite balanced and structured like way of your answer. Okay, let's move on to part 3. As you can see, we have similar questions to part 1, but they are more abstract. They're like in the more like difficult, I would say. Why do you think some people like doing new things? It's not about you. It's just about some kind of topic, and you have to give your own opinion, answer, and like argument your answer. Okay, be reasonable. So what problems can people have when they try new activities for the first time? Do you think it's best to do new things on your own or when or with other people, and why? Again, you just talk about these topics usually, since you have to just give technically more information to explain these kind of open questions. They will be technically longer than answers in the first part. The overall approach is the same. Just follow this 3 golden rules. Okay, guys, that's all for our lecture number 12, and see you in the next lecture where we will continue talking about speaking skills. Okay, good luck, and see you. Bye.